Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace windshield wipers. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need your new wiper blades, a clean cloth, and a small towel. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface. It's always a good idea to consult your owner's manual for any specific details about your vehicle model. Knowing the correct blade lengths, often 26 inches for the driver's side and 21 inches for the passenger's side, is crucial for a perfect fit. Now let's remove the old wiper blades. Carefully lift the wiper arm away from the windshield until it locks into an upright position. Be cautious, as the arm can snap back and damage the glass. Many people place a small towel on the windshield for protection. Next, find the small release tab or button on the wiper blade's connector. Press this tab and slide the old blade straight off the wiper arm. Repeat this process for the other side. With the old blades removed, it's time to install the new ones. First, take off any plastic protective covers from your new wiper blades. Carefully align the new blade's connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's attached. Then, carefully lower the wiper arm back onto the windshield, ensuring it doesn't snap down. Finally, let's test your new wipers. Gently lower both wiper arms back onto the windshield. Turn on your vehicle and activate the windshield wipers with some washer fluid. Observe their operation. They should move smoothly and clear the glass without leaving streaks. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember to regularly inspect your wiper blades, perhaps every 6 months, and replace them when you see signs of wear for optimal visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.